Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Vintage Farmhouse style home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage Farmhouse style home decor is a warm, cozy decorating style that blends old world charm with simple rural living. It looks collected over time rather than perfectly matched, giving a home a welcoming lived-in feel. What defines vintage farmhouse decor? Vintage farmhouse decor combines farmhouse simplicity, like practical rustic country living. Vintage charm uses aged, antique, or old-style pieces. The result is a space that feels nostalgic, comfortable, and timeless. Key characteristics. First, natural materials. Use solid wood furniture, wicker, rattan, or cane. Also use cotton, linen, burlap fabrics, stone, ceramics, and iron accents. Next, soft neutral color palette like white, cream, beige, soft gray, warm brown, muted pastel tones like sheer green and dusty blue. Vintage and antique elements uses distressed furniture, old cabinets, trunks, or sideboards. Antique mirrors and picture frames uses enamel, messengers, and vintage clocks. Rustic furniture, farmhouse dining tables, wooden benches, ladder shelves, open cabinets, cozy textiles, floral or stamped curtains, quilts, crochet throws, lace or embroidered pillow covers. Decorative details, galvanized metal buckets, wooden crates, old books, ceramic pictures, jarred flowers, cotton stems or lavender, vintage sign or handwritten codes. Overall feeling, vintage farmhouse decor feels warm and inviting, comfortable, not fancy, peaceful and homey, inspired by countryside living. It is perfect for people who love nostalgia, handmade items, and a calm cottage-like atmosphere, which fits beautifully with your interest in country cottage and vintage decor. The philosophy behind vintage farmhouse style. Vintage farmhouse decor is about comfort over perfection. Homes are meant to be lived in, not stand like a showroom. Pieces often look time-worn, handmade, passed down through generations. Every item feels like it has a story. Furniture style very important. Furniture is sturdy, simple, and eased. Distressed or whitewashed wood. Use turned legs on tables and chairs. Use mismatched dining chairs. Also use old cupboards used as display cabinets. Reclaimed oak shelves. Tips. Slight imperfections like scratches, chip are a good things, not a flaw. Color and finish details. In a state of bright colors, Vintage Farmhouse uses chalky white, warm creams, soft grays, faded blues and greens. Finishes often look matte, chalk painted, hand jobbed or naturally aged. Storage and display. Storage is also decoration. Open shelves in a state of closed cabinets, glass jars for kitchen storage, baskets for blankets and towels, wooden crates for books or plants. Accessories and styling. Key accents include crockery and enamel bowl, old lanterns, pictures with fresh or dried flowers, framed botanical prints, vintage clocks, crochet or lace table runners. Lighting style. Lighting is soft and warm. Use pendant lights with metal shades, lantern style lights, table lamps with fabric shades, warm yellow bulbs never harsh white. Plants and natural touches. Plants bring life. Herbs and clipboards, wildflowers, jade wheat or eucalyptus. Use simple greenery, nothing too modern. How it feels to live in. A vintage farmhouse home feels calm and peaceful, cozy and welcoming, warm in every season, full of charm and nostalgia. Common mistakes to avoid: too many modern or glossy items, over decorating, matching everything perfectly, using bright or neon colors. Vintage farmhouse equals layers of times. This style is not about buying everything at once. It is about layering old plus useful plus sentimental items over time. Homes feel like they grew slowly, with pieces added through years of living. Think grandma's wooden cupboard, an old metal tray reused as wall art, handmade crochet passed down in the family. Textiles and fabrics, a big part of the look. Vintage farmhouse homes feel cozy because of soft textiles. Use floral cotton prints, gingham and chicken straps, lace trims and crochet-edged patchwork quilts, handmade genres and tireless. Imperfect spacing and faded fabrics add authentic charm. Wall decor and art. Walls are simple but meaningful. Antique frames with family photos. Use botanical illustrations. Old candles or handwritten recipes use rustic wooden sign. Small mirrors with own frames. Avoid large modern artwork. Small personal pieces work best. Kitchen styling. Heart of the farmhouse. The kitchen looks lived in, practical, warm, and welcoming. Key elements: open shelves with dishes, enamel mugs on hooks, wooden cutting boards on display, glass jars for rice, flour, spices. Use vintage tireless. Nothing is hidden, everything is useful and visible. Bedroom mode. Bedrooms feel soft and restful. Iron or wooden beds. Use layered bedding, sheets plus quilt plus straw. Use floral or stamped bedding. Wooden bedside tables, simple lamps or wall sconces, a calm, peaceful place, never over decorated. Next, living room atmosphere. Use slip covered sofas, wooden coffee tables, stacked books, crocheted or knitted chairs, with soft cushions in knitted patterns. Furniture is arranged for conversation and comfort, not display. Paint is patina and aging. Patina is key. Rust on metal, faded paint, cracks in oud, tarnished brush. The sign of age and soul, not damage. Seasonal decorating, natural and simple. Vintage farmhouse homes change gently with seasons. Spring, use wildflowers, light linens. Summer, use cotton, open windows. Autumn, wheat, pumpkins, burnt tones. Winter, use quilts, lanterns, and soft lighting. No loud themes, just subtle changes. Why people love vintage farmhouse style? It feels emotional and nostalgic. It is budget friendly. It celebrates handmade items. It is never trendy or outdated. The emotional soul of vintage farmhouse style. Vintage farmhouse decor is rooted in family traditions, rural life, solo living, handcrafted beauty. It reflects a time when homes are filled with useful, well loved objects, not fast decor. Every piece feels honest and comforting. Authentic materials, no imitation look. True Vintage Farmhouse avoids plastic or shiny finishes. Best materials: solid reclaimed wood, cast iron, galvanized metal, stoneware and earthenware, linen, cotton, wool. These materials is beautifully and depth. Furniture shapes and craftsmanship. Furniture is thick and sturdy, often handmade or handcrafted, slightly bulky, never sleek. Look for turned legs, plank style tables, farmhouse benches, hutch cabinets, rocking chairs. Mismatching furniture adds charm and realism. Paint techniques and finishes. Popular vintage farmhouse finishes use chalk paint, milk paint, white washing, light distressing. Colors appears soft, faded, sun-on. Avoid glossy or high-shine paints. Stories with character. Stories pages are also decorative. Old trunks used as coffee tables, wooden boxes for books, metal bins for laundry, open shelving instead of closed cupboards. Everything looks accessible and lived in. Lighting and warm glow. Lighting is never harsh. Use lantern style pendants, iron candelabras, fabric shades table lamps, candle holders. Always choose warm light bulbs to enhance the cozy feel. Nature as decor. Nature plays a big role. Use dried flowers, herbs hanging in the kitchen, branches in ceramic vases, seasonal greenery. Keep arrangements loose and natural, never perfect. How to make it feel real, not staged. To avoid a store display look, mix old with slightly newer pieces. Leave some empty space. Use everyday items as decor. Add personal memories in books, photos, handmade crafts. Why this style never gets old? It grows more beautiful with time. It's flexible and forgiving. It works in both small and large homes. It feels deeply personal. How Vintage Farmhouse style is built step by step. This style is not rushed, it grows slowly. Start with basics like neutral walls, simple wooden furniture, and natural light. Add old before new. Use inherited items, thrift finds, or pieces that look aged. Layer gently, textiles, accessories. Next, personal objects. Edit often, remove anything that feels too modern or shiny. Everyday objects as decor. In vintage farmhouse homes, useful things are visible. Use rolling pins in the kitchen, baskets for storage, use wooden trays, pitchers for water or flowers, crocks for utensils. Nothing feels decorative only, everything has a purpose. Handmade and craft details. Handcrafted items are essential. Crochet table runners, knitted throws, hand-stitched cushions, embroidered linens. These details add warmth and authenticity and connect beautifully with traditional country living. Light, air, and simplicity. Open windows when possible. Avoid heavy curtains. Let sunlight soften the space. Use mirrors to reflect natural light. Windows from house homes always feel airy and calm, not heavy. Hanging gracefully, patina over perfection. Aged elements are silverated, faded paint, slight rust, unaged, softened oud grain. Never try to make everything look new. Time is part of the beauty. Seasonal rhythm of the home. Winters from house homes change simply with seasons. Spring is fresh flowers and light fabrics. For summer, use open shelves and cotton straws. For autumn, warm tones, baskets, and thread cranes. For winter, coils, candles, layered textures. Seasonal changes are gentle, never dramatic. Small homes and apartments. This style works beautifully in small spaces. Use open shelves instead of cabinets. Choose multi-purpose furniture. Keep colors light. Display fewer, meaningful items. Clutter is avoided, but character remains. Why Vintage Farmhouse feels so comforting. It feels familiar and safe. It connects past and present. It values simplicity. It supports slow, peaceful living. Vintage Farmhouse is about balance. A true Vintage Farmhouse home is not too rustic, not too elegant, not overly decorated. Everything feels simple, calm, and practical. If something looks so too perfect or too new, it usually doesn't belong. Final thought. Vintage Farmhouse Decor is not about copying a look. It is about creating a home that feels warm, honest, and lived in. The more personal it becomes, the more beautiful it feels. Vintage Farmhouse Decor is about creating a home that feels gentle, familiar, and real. A place that welcomes you every day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.